car flips midair. A hero lands with 0 scratches. A mansion explodes. But somehow, the sunglasses survive. Welcome to the beautiful chaos of Bollywood action, where physics takes a back seat. Explosions get their own close-up. And stunts, they aren't just action, they're art direction. But here's the twist. Behind every over-the-top sequence lies a carefully crafted, scientifically choreographed design process. From the silent calculations of stunt designers to the fireball timing of VFX experts. This isn't randomness, it's rhythm. What looks like mayhem on screen is actually designed down to the second. So today, we're not just watching the action, we're breaking it down. Before we dive in, please quickly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support makes a difference, allowing us to keep bringing you fresh, exciting content. Plus, it helps our community grow. Thanks for being part of it. How did we get from shaky punches to aerial flips over helicopters? Let's rewind the action clock. In the 70s, it was fake punches and stage smoke. The 90s brought slow-mo kicks and over-the-top drama. And after 2010, we entered the hybrid era, CG meets choreography. Bollywood action evolved from instinct to blueprint. And yet, there's something timeless about a dramatic leap off a rooftop or a flying kick in the rain. Because even when the tools change, the desire to awe stays the same. Want to know why that explosion in Singham made your jaw drop? Because it was designed to. Let's talk fireballs. Because if it's Bollywood, something's gotta blow up. But these aren't random blasts. Every explosion has a storyboard, a physics plan, a detonation radius, and sometimes a fan just off camera to blow the hero's hair. Did you know? In Pathan, the jetpack explosion was simulated using real-time VFX overlays, stunt wire rigs, and 3 synchronized detonation charges, timed to match Shah Rukh Khan's stride. Bollywood explosions are orchestrated. Less boom, more. Cue the boom in 3. 2 dots first. And of course, the car must flip. It's not a Bollywood explosion unless a car spins midair while the hero walks away slowly, preferably in sunglasses. Some directors even hire pyro consultants, professionals who choreograph blasts like background dancers. Because yes, the explosion must be beautiful. Think that flying kick was improvised? Think again. It's more like ballet with bruises. Fight scenes aren't just violence, they're dance numbers in disguise. Every punch, timed, every jump, measured, every wire rig, tuned like an instrument. The camera team, stunt double, fight choreographer, prop designer, and safety crew. They all rehearse it like theater. Did you know? War used 7 international stunt teams to choreograph just one scene. It took 3 weeks to shoot and 2 months to design. In Bogey 2, a rooftop jump was so intense, the lead stunt double rehearsed the leap 27 times, just to get the hair movement and camera angle to match Tiger Shroff's. And yes, someone's job is literally to design the perfect table to crash into. There are spreadsheets for break angles, sound effects for specific surfaces, and if it's a glass wall, expect 3 backups, just in case. Because if someone's going through it, it better shatter beautifully. Every fall, every fruit cart, every table smash, there's a designer behind the debris. Designing chaos also means designing the impact zone. Where does the hero land? What breaks? Which fruit cart explodes? Yes, Bollywood loves fruit carts. Everything is tested. Breakaway glass, foam bricks, crash mats painted to match the floor, balsa wood furniture rigged to explode on contact. Even flying feathers are sometimes added after impact, because in slow motion, it looks better. Because even chaos is a controlled aesthetic. Behind every crash, spreadsheets, behind every blast, blueprints. Let's decode the math behind the madness. Behind the madness is some serious math. From calculating fall velocity to rigging pull tension, Bollywood's action scenes rely on engineers, physicists, and VFX artists to sell the illusion of danger. Did you know? The rooftop chase in Tomb 3 used motion capture rehearsals with pre-vis animation, just like Marvel or Mission Impossible. Pre-visualization, aka pre-vis, lets directors design an entire action sequence like an animated short before they even shoot. It's chaos on screen. But backstage, it's spreadsheets, CAD diagrams, and safety protocols. Yes, even Ajay Devon's two-bike stunt from Fool Arcante had a physics breakdown. That flying dupatta, that crumbling pillar, they're not lucky accidents, they're part of the plan. Even costume and set design play a role in the chaos. The hero wears white, because nothing hides a blood splash better. The villain wears leather, because it creaks with menace. And the rain? Always timed for the final punch. From shredded kurtas to slow-mo flying dupattas, action scenes are built for visual drama. And the sets? Painted with textures that look amazing when shattered. Pillars that crumble in slow-mo. Staircases that were designed to be jumped off. Why do we love slow-mo punches so much? Because time slows when emotions explode. Slow motion isn't just cool, it's intentional design. It elongates impact. It dramatizes emotion. It gives the audience time to feel the punch. Did you know? Director S.S. Rajamouli said he used slow motion in RRR to extend the glory of the hero's rage. It's not slow. It's cinematic punctuation. Let's remove the slow-mo and run the numbers. What would really happen? Let's play a game. What if Bollywood action scenes followed real-world physics? The hero would pass out from G-force, the villain would get arrested for noise pollution, and everyone within 30 feet of that explosion would have hearing damage. But that's not the point. Bollywood action is mythic. It's emotional truth over literal truth. It's less Isaac Newton, more Masala Newton. And what if the next generation of action design is powered by AI? What if future stunts are simulated by neural nets and explosions respond to live crowd reactions? Imagine watching an action scene that changes based on audience heart rate. The next hero might not need a stunt double, just good code. So next time you see a car flip, a goon fly, or a warehouse go up in flames, know this? It wasn't chaos. It was choreography. Planned, practiced, designed. Because in Bollywood, even explosions have style. There you have it. If you enjoy this video, please like it and hit that subscribe button for more stories on the design behind things around us. Thanks for watching. See you next time.